When we harvest vegetables that grow underground, like carrots, potatoes, or radishes, we usually wash them before eating. But did you know that this simple act can do much more than just clean your veggies? When you pull these vegetables out of the soil, they bring along tiny, helpful microbes. These microbes are amazing for plants. They help them grow faster and healthier. It's like nature giving you a free, supercharged fertilizer. Here's how it works. When you harvest your vegetables, a bit of soil always clings to their roots. This soil is packed with good microbes. These are tiny living organisms that improve the soil, help plants absorb nutrients, and protect them from harmful diseases. Instead of washing your vegetables in the sink and letting all these beneficial microbes go to waste, you can use them to give your garden a boost. Start by getting a clean bucket and filling it with water. Make sure the water is not chlorinated because chlorine can kill the microbes. Rainwater or filtered water is perfect for this. Gently wash your freshly harvested vegetables in the bucket. As you clean the dirt off, all those helpful microbes from the soil will mix with the water. At this point, the water in your bucket has already become a simple fertilizer for your garden. You can pour it around the base of your plants, and they will absorb the nutrients and microbes, which will help them grow stronger and healthier. But there's an easy way to make this solution even better and more powerful. To multiply the microbes, all you need to do is add a little bit of brown sugar to the water. Brown sugar works as food for the microbes. Just a small amount will give them the energy they need to grow and multiply quickly. Stir the water gently so the sugar mixes well, and then let the bucket sit for 3 to 4 hours. During this time, the microbes will feed on the sugar and multiply, turning your waters into a supercharged plant booster. After waiting a few hours, you'll have a bucket of enriched microbial water. Now, take this water and pour it around the base of your plants. These microbes will work wonders in your soil. They break down organic matter, help plants absorb nutrients better, and even protect them from harmful pests and diseases. Over time, you'll notice your plants becoming stronger, greener, and more productive. What's amazing about this method is that it's natural, simple, and sustainable. You're taking something that would normally be washed away and turning it into a powerful resource for your garden. It's not just good for your plants, it's also good for the environment because you're avoiding the need for chemical fertilizers. Every time you harvest your underground vegetables, you can repeat this process. The soil that sticks to the roots is full of life, so make sure you save it. Even if you're only cleaning a small batch of veggies, it's still worth it. Over time, this little habit can make a big difference in the health and growth of your plants. If you enjoyed learning about this simple gardening trick, don't forget to check out more tips and ideas on our channel. Like, share, and subscribe, so you never miss out on ways to make your garden even more amazing.